Happy Sunday, guys. So I usually don't do weekend videos, but I'm posting up this short little clip because I wanted to keep you guys in the loop of what's going on with this new build back here. I was going to do a full raw build, strip down the powder coat, and basically, yeah, do a full raw build. 100% natural frame, no paint on it. And it was going to be the frame, the bars, the forks, the cranks. And then I was going to leave the wheels, the cinnamon wheels, all black. And I thought it was going to be cool. I was also going to end up possibly selling it, or maybe even doing a raffle for it, possibly. But the goal now is to build it up, and I keep it as a theory frame from Versa, so you can tell it's a Versa frame. The paint is actually still very good on it. I figured out how to basically bring it back to life. So we're gonna build up the bike the way it is with the pretty cool paint scheme it got going on. And yeah, that's basically an update for you guys on that. And here we are for my bike that we're gonna work on today. So what we got going on today is I rawed out a set of cranks. They're 175s. They're the same size length as these that I'm rocking right now, but I want to give a shot to the different style of basically it's a different different style to me, at least. This one's a lot flatter than this. This is a lot rounder, and I think, in my opinion, this guy's gonna slide better or grind better. So I'm gonna pop these on and give them a look-see and see how they turn out. But both the cranks turned out really nice. And yeah, let's get these guys on here now. Alright, so first crank on. Definitely looks way better than what I had on here before. So hopefully the looks is going to be equal to the performance. So the pedals are looking pretty dope with. So yeah, gonna get to putting the other crank on. And another reason why I wanted to switch to these is because you see these ones don't have a bolt. They have this welded rod for the sprocket. Not really too certain for this, not snapping, so I thought, why not upgrade to one that actually has a bolt? And yeah. So there she goes. I'm gonna get the other one on and get back to y'all. Alright, crank number 2 is on. Looking pretty nice. Definitely look way nicer. Alright, she's all put back together. Looks way better with these cranks on here. It feels better too, so I'm happy. Well, that wraps it up, guys and gals. We got the cranks installed. I'm loving the look and the feel of it now, so I appreciate you tuning in to watch this video. I know it's not that long, maybe not that interesting, but I appreciate your support as always. Please like and subscribe, and have a good Sunday.